I've had my period for more than half of my life. You'd think that after many years I'd get used to it, but no. Each month when I'm greeted with my period, I look down and am completely horrified that my own body would disrespect me like this. Periods are like those rude members of your extended family who come over uninvited and overstay their welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a few different ways to deal with your monthly uninvited guest. Menstrual cramps can be a bit painful, but I know the trick to get rid of them. My mother told me this trick, and believe me, it's so effective to get rid of menstrual cramps. Simply add some rice into socks and seal it using a rubber band. Once you've finished up with that, place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes are up, simply place the sock onto the area where you have pain, and I promise the pain will subside in as little as 10 minutes. Repeat these steps anytime you're experiencing pain during your period. I don't know about you, but when I get my period, I get easily irritated with people. So what's the best option to boost your mood quickly? You're definitely going to like the answer. It's dark chocolate. Eating small amounts of high-quality chocolate can actually help relieve cramps and give you a little energy boost. I also enjoy snacking on healthy things like bananas, which are rich in potassium and reduce water retention and bloating. Pomegranate juice can also help relax you enough to deal with little irritants throughout the day. So good. Menstrual pain is common, especially during the first few days of your period. I've got a few yoga moves to show you that will help alleviate the pain and provide some much needed relief, with no pills or medication required. This move, called the cat pose, alleviates pain in the back, shoulders, and neck area. Our next move is the knee pose. If you're experiencing back pain during your periods, simply follow this next move for instant relief. Use a folded pillow and watch what I'm doing. Hold this move for up to 3 minutes on each side. Our third move is the bent candle pose. Use a wall to perform this move. Stretch your legs and relax completely. Believe me, it's so soothing on your lower back. Perform this simple move for up to 5 minutes for ultimate relief. Sometimes during your period, a good night's sleep can feel impossible. I'm going to show you a simple way to get pain-free deep sleep. Simply fold up a towel, just as I'm doing here. Once you've done that, place one under your knees and one under the small of your back. Then, lie down and relax. Some of you may not sleep on your back typically. If you're a side sleeper like me, here's another option that was suggested by my own mum. Place a pillow between your legs to relieve back pain. You'll be sleeping like a baby in no time. While you're here, leave a comment for my mom down below. #ThanksMum. Periods are a natural part of life, so there's nothing to be embarrassed about. But if you prefer to be a bit more discreet with your tampons or pads, check out this quick and easy method. Simply wrap up your pads in a bit of toilet paper. As you can see, the pad is completely hidden. And you'll have a bit of extra toilet paper if you have an emergency in the restroom. Once it's all covered up, you can discreetly place it in the side of your bag. Quick and easy trick is hiding tampons in an old chapstick or lip balm casing. This method will keep your tampons sanitary, dry, and ready to use at a moment's notice. These are also quite easy to slip in the side of your bag or purse. Knowing where pressure points are on the face and head is a huge advantage if you want to reduce pain caused by tension headaches. My grandmother swears by these techniques, and I wanted to share them with you. Take your index finger and move it in a circular motion between your brows. Not only will this reduce headaches, it will also calm the mind. Do that for about 5 minutes. The next technique that I'm going to show you to help overcome eye fatigue is quite simple. My grandmother also told me this technique improves vision. The next technique is known as yin yang, and this opens sinuses, reduces headaches, toothaches, and also relieves stress. This technique is also for people suffering from serious headaches or migraines. Do this for about 6 to 7 minutes to get rid of nasty headaches, and repeat again and again when you feel migraines coming on. I hope you found these tips and tricks to be useful. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.